$10,000 in cleaning business with this marketing plan, guaranteed. I just came up with the crazy idea. I was updating my winter marketing plan, which we're going to go over in just a minute. And as I'm looking at it, I'm thinking, there's just no way that if somebody is faithfully doing at least 10 of these things, that they're not going to get at least $10,000 in sales within the next 30 days. So I'm going to give you this guarantee. And this doesn't matter if you're part of my coaching program or if you're not even part of my coaching program. Now, you do have more resources obviously available to you, and I'm going to give you a better guarantee if you're part of my coaching program. But even if you're not, here's what I'm going to do. If you go over this marketing plan and faithfully do at least 10 of these things and don't get at least $10,000 in sales within 30 days of you faithfully executing these 10 things, if you're not part of my coaching program even, I will get on the phone with you and spend 20 or 30 minutes just going over what you did wrong and what you can improve and what you can make better. Now, if you are part of my coaching program, I will go and give you a free 1-hour consultation. I normally charge $300 for that. We'll actually go over intricately what you did wrong, what you didn't do. We'll go over it on a Zoom, and I'll help you, walk you through what you can do better. Now, here's the catch, okay? I don't want somebody just saying, hey, I tried a couple of these things just vaguely. I want you to prove to me in one email all the 10 things that you did. Show me proof, attach a document, whatever you need to do, but you need to prove to me that you actually did these things, okay? And you really, really tried to do them well and that they didn't work, and you really need feedback genuinely on what you did that didn't work. I am so confident in what I'm about to share with you in this report that it's going to get you $10,000 in business that I really do not see a way that you can fail with this and get at least $10,000 in business. So let's hop right in. I'm going to show you some of the highlights here. We recently did a coaching webinar, but I'm going to show you some of the highlights. So first off, I want you to print this report out. Don't just look at it and say, hey, this is nice. Print it out, and I want you to faithfully do at least 10 of these things. There's some things in this report. And by the way, I'm talking about winter marketing, but I'm not really just meaning winter. I'm just meaning whatever slow season that you've got. For some of you, it's summer. For some of you, it could be spring. For some of you, it's before Christmas. Whatever slow season that you've got, use this. There's members that have used this before in areas that it's freezing cold, and they still had super good success and gotten huge returns from some of these marketing ideas that we've got inside of this report. So print it out, take massive action, do it now. Super, super huge. That the whole thing about this is action, and that's why I'm giving you this guarantee. I want some of you who are actually struggling right now to understand that you can get this report and you can do business. You can make money right now. So here we go. First off, I want you to mail to every single one of your clients a postcard. Something in the mail stating that, hey, it's winter and we're slow and here's a special offer just for you. And again, if it's not winter when you're using this, whatever season that it may be, just be genuine. That's what your clients want from you, and that's what you want to do. Additionally, mail a reminder postcard. I'll show you just a couple of options and ideas that we've got here inside of the coaching club. We've got reminder postcards here that are about oil changes, kind of relaying the same idea that people understand cars. They don't understand their carpet. They don't understand their flooring. They don't understand how to maintain anything inside of their house as far as cleaning always. But we've got reminder postcards for those. We've also got one where it relays the same subject of sheets. So they understand oil changes. They understand changing your sheets. They don't really always correlate it with carpet and tile and everything else inside of the home. So we've got postcards that explain that, just genuine postcards, just reminding them, hey, it's been a year since your last cleaning. We've also got postcards that have got special offers for winter. Here's an air duct cleaning winter postcard. Here's just a general $25 off postcard. Here's one for area rug cleaning. Here's one for just general times are tough, and we've got a letter along those lines too that I'm going to show you here in just a little bit. Another $25, and here's the kind of the postcard that I just showed you here with the free gifts. Now, I do recommend that you get a killer offer that you don't give any time of the year. Don't get bogged down with what these gifts are. Fill them into your cleaning company to what suits you, but do understand that you should have, if it's genuinely your slow season, send something not to everybody, just your past clients that love you and know you, give them the best special of the year, tell them that it's the best special of the year. This offer always, when we did this way, it always did really, really, really well for us in my own cleaning company and for pretty much every other coaching member that I've ever had that's used this. We've got some as well for hardwood, for tile, for water damage restoration, all those type of things. So do that. Send something in the mail to everybody. At least everybody get one thing. Okay, secondarily, Google Ads. I do highly recommend Google Ads. They can be great. And the perfect thing about Google Ads is you can target specifically who you want to target, and you can put the ad in and it can work the next day or two, right? Google Ads are super, super huge. Another thing, Google My Business page. Make sure that you get in there and you are posting to that 2 times a week. Why? In the algorithm, your Google My Business page will show up. It's just called Google Business now, but it will show up a lot more often, especially if some of your other keywords are tweaked the right way. But even if they're not, you've got more possibility that the page is going to show up. Big thing right now, text message marketing. This is not something to be abused, but during certain times of the year, this can be a great time to do it. Just send them something. Doesn't even necessarily have to be an offer. In fact, it's usually better received when it's not like a huge blatant sales pitch. Just something saying, hey, this is John with your cleaning company. I wanted to wish you a happy new year. I'm here to help you with your cleanup projects. In fact, be on the lookout for a special offer that we just mailed you in the mail. If you have questions, give me a call. Maybe put your website in there. Ask them to text back. We have software inside of the coaching club that can help you do this. There's other software out there as well. But this is something to do sparingly, maybe 2-3 times, maybe 4 times a year to your past clients. Sending an email newsletter every single week to your prospects that you've already got in your list, to your clients with the killer offer, especially this time of year. Reflect that same offer that you mailed to them in the mail. Here's an offer, an example of a email newsletter. We've got templates for all of these, and even the software where your logo's already punched in, your phone number's punched in, everything's written, the picture's there. All you have to do is schedule the email to send out. Everything's already done, right? So fall in love with your carpet. We've got some as well that we're making for maid services, and we've got some commercial ones already here in the ad club section as well, letting them know that, we're here. We're going along the same lines of the drama of Valentine's Day. In that case, it's February. So send an email newsletter along the same lines as the postcards. Create a blog, something either on your website or even somewhere else, but create a blog, post weekly tips about your cleaning services. This is a great time of year as well to start SEO strategies. Now, here's the thing too about SEO strategies. They're not necessarily going to start working this week, but they're going to start working soon. Usually it can be a couple of months, a few months down the road, but this is a great time if you've got time to put that foundation and plant that seed for spring. So put SEO strategies in place right now. Google My Business. Make sure that you're double checking. We give you the link here that everything in your Google My Business profile is correct. A lot of the times these things can morph. Google will even create categories that they think are correct, and you don't want that. You want to make sure your phone number is correct. The other day, one of our profiles, our phone number changed just magically. It picked up some other phone number, our number from Twilio, and actually put that inside of there. But you want to make sure that all of your information is correct in Google Business. You want to get Google reviews. Here's the thing about Google reviews. It's not about the amount of reviews as much as it is the consistency in reviews. So work on getting a consistent amount of reviews, 1 review every week for the next several months. I mean, really going forward for the rest of your business, but work hard on Google reviews now because that can help your ranking increase. Create a YouTube video. Here's the thing. Don't be afraid, guys. Just start creating videos. You'll get better as time goes, but create a video. When you do have a video that looks like it's working well, maybe post it on Facebook, but also too, go ahead and maybe create a YouTube ad through Google Ads for that video. Make sure that your website is mobile responsive. This is huge. A lot of you have websites that don't look good on a mobile device. So you need to double check that on a mobile phone. Make sure that it looks good. If it does not look good, your clients are being repelled. You need to have clickable phone numbers. It needs to look good. Write a press release about something newsworthy happening in your business. Submit it to an online press source. This is something that we do for our SEO clients, by the way, because it's something that helps immensely for ranking. But do that, and you can actually get noticed, and you can actually get some search engine ranking for that. The other thing that we would do in my cleaning company is we would do certain times a year, not all the time, we would do a clean cash kind of like Kohl's Cash. Women love this type of thing, and a lot of our clients in the cleaning industry are women. So we would do this $10, $20 for every $100 they would spend, or every $200, whatever you want to do. Again, don't get bogged down with the specifics, but the thing is giving them some type of an offer, letting them know that they can either use this for cleaning for themselves in the next 30, 60, 90 days, whatever you decide, or they can give it to a friend. This promotes frequent cleaning, and it also promotes referrals. And this is a huge thing in our business. Every door direct mail can be huge. And here's the neat thing. The price for every door direct mail actually went down just a little bit, and the price for regular postage went up. So it's a great time to do every door direct mail. We've got lots of different options for every door direct mail inside of the ad club. This is a winter postcard. We've got, this is a rug cleaning postcard. We've got this other cleaning for health winter, air duct postcards, all sorts of different postcard templates for winter, for hardwood, for winter, for water damage restoration, for air duct cleaning, all sorts of postcards for that inside of the ad coaching club. But EDDM can be a great thing, and you can pick the neighborhoods that you want to clean for and clean in those neighborhoods. Commercial accounts. We've got an entire course for commercial accounts where you can target specific commercial accounts. We're actually about to start being able to offer you through our software the ability to pull your own lists, to where you can pull your own list. They're for purchase, to where you can get those lists and actually go in and mail and email and even text the decision makers. We've got an entire course for that with letters already written, ready to go. You can use them for emails as well. We have an email series as well for commercial. All of that is inside of the commercial course. It's also included inside of the ad coaching club. I recommend that you start sending at least 25 per week letters, actually, to doctors, lawyers, whatever particular niche for commercial you decide. Send them the series of attention-getting letters. Again, we've got the templates for a lot of these inside of the coaching club. And then follow that up with a phone call and maybe even an actual visit. Also, if you decide, and I would highly recommend it, marketing to whoever can refer you. Realtors, interior designers, flooring retailers are a lot of the people that would refer us for our types of businesses. Get to know them. Market to them with letters. Follow up with a visit where you bring them a gift bag, bring them treats. Huge idea. We've got an entire program for that as well, where we bring them gift cards, that type of thing. Also, think of other types of cleaning businesses that can complement what you do but don't do the same exact thing. Maybe you're a maid service. Well, set up a relationship with a carpet cleaning company, or a chimney sweeper, an air duct cleaner. Maybe you're a carpet cleaning company. Set up a relationship with a maid service that does not do carpet cleaning. Get in and do that. Network with the like-minded people in your area. I've got an interview with a maid service that I had a relationship with when I was in business, and it was huge. It was huge for him and for me. Educational brochures. These are great things to include in your gift bag. And when you send out some of these things, they're not the only things you want to actually have a letter, but they're an extra thing to include just to show your professionalism and to educate about pet stain removal, what you do for carpet and rugs, for your janitorial service, for upholstery, that type of thing. These are great. Give out gift certificates to realtors and people that can refer you. Big commercial jobs, maybe give them a $100 gift voucher for their next cleaning. If you're bored, we had a rule in my cleaning business that we didn't just sit around the office. If nothing else, we went out to visit carpet retailers, interior designers, realtors, or we went out flyering neighborhoods. I would literally have my technicians do that on afternoons that we were super, super slow and we didn't have anything to do. We went out and still did stuff. Believe it or not, newspaper can still work, especially in small and some medium cities. I've got clients that still swear by newspaper and some of the newspaper ads that we've done. We've got examples for those inside of the Ad Coaching Club. Offer a free 60-day or 90-day touch-up cleaning. This could be great to get yourself back into their home in the next 60 to 90 days for some types of businesses. Also, Google remarketing. So not just Google ads, but setting up a remarketing campaign where you're following them all over the internet. You've probably seen my ads where you've gone to my website, and then for the next 60 to 90 days, you're actually seeing my ads on weather.com and just on various news websites and all over the place. You can do that for your own cleaning company through Google Ads for as little as $2 a day. If you had a successful ad in the past, do it again. So a few other tactics that you might not have thought about. Gift cards. Again, we use those a lot with realtors, carpet and flooring retailers, plumbers, interior designers, anybody that can refer us. We've given these out, and the bigger the business, we've given out $50 or even $100 gift cards that they can use at their own home or give to their clients, and it's been a great referral source. Theme your postcards, kind of like the email that we showed you. We've got postcards along the same exact line that are themed toward winter. Well, in this case, that's a holiday Christmas one, but are themed toward Valentine's Day, that are themed toward winter. Here's Valentine's Day examples. Do that and go along with the holidays that are going on. Go along with the season of the year that are going on in their lives. Connect your company with them and in their lives. Do a voicemail blast. This is a thing, too, that you can do through the software that we offer in the Ad Coaching Club. Knock on doors. If you need to, guys, it's not below you. If you need business coming in, get out there and knock on doors. Don't just do it with a crummy business card or just with a smile, but do it with some of the stuff that we've showed you here. A gift card, right? Would be great. Along with a brochure, maybe a bottle of spot remover. All that stuff is great, fantastic things to do. Send a letter to your past clients. We've got a Times Are Tough letter that, and this is actually a flyer that we sent to for 2-year reminders. We haven't heard from you in a while. This is for some clients that have used this. This has been one of the best advertising that they've done. Some of the times this is the best advertising that we ever did to remind past clients. We've got Times Are Tough letters where we include gift cards and just other for hard floor, for all types of different services, but letters specifically saying that we haven't heard from you in a while and it's slow and we want to give you the special offer specifically because it's slow. Sometimes in the winter this can be a great thing. Even in cold areas you can get big jobs. One client sent out letters and got a 5,000% return, and he was in Ohio, up someplace where it's really cold. So if you are in an area where it's really cold and you do water damage, might be a good idea, especially to have set up a campaign for Google Ads for water damage. Also create a blog, maybe post on Facebook as well about tips for freezing pipes and what to do in that case. Maybe educate plumbers and send them a special letter. Send email newsletters about this same type of thing. Maybe text messages as well, letting them know that, hey, it's John with Premium Restoration with a reminder, we're under a hard freeze warning. Protect your pipes. If anything happens to you or your friends, we're here 24/7. Just give us a call or message me back. Write a press release about the same subject. Send letters to 25 plumbers, adjusters, insurance agents. Do you understand the theme here? Massive action. Get this stuff done, guys. These are golden ideas that have made me a lot of money and made other cleaning companies a lot of money. If you want help implementing this, I've got a couple of slots left, not literally 2, maybe 3 slots left for personal coaching one-on-one. I do also have my group coaching club where you can join. Here's the link here. All the templates for everything we just looked at here are inside of the coaching club, where we even do the graphic design for you once per month. We give you the software to send out emails. The emails are already done. I can't stress enough how simple that we'll make email marketing for you as part of the coaching club. You just need to get in and sign up for the software for free. We'll plug in some things for you and get everything rocking and rolling. All that's part of the Ad Coaching Club. The price for the Ad Club is going up soon, by the way, just as a side note. If you're in before the price goes up, you're locked in at the rate that you're currently in at. So keep that in mind. All right, guys, keep in mind, yes, I do have this guarantee. If you get in and you faithfully do at least 10 of these things, email me. If they did not get you $10,000 of business, email me specifics of what you did and you faithfully executed them. I need to see proof because I need to know what you did. I can't just have people emailing you saying, hey, I tried it, so I want a free consultation. You need to prove to me that you really did this stuff. Okay? And then if you're a coaching club member, I will give you a free 1-hour consult, $300 value. Even if you're not a coaching club member, I'll give you a free 30-minute consult. We'll get on the phone and we'll hash through, give you some tips. I can only give that to up to 12 people. I mean, I've got 8,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, so I can't give that to absolutely everybody that calls, but only up to 12 people this year. So if you really tried and you really did that, let me know. I do want to help you. I want to make sure that you crossed all your T's and dotted all your I's and did everything that needs to be done. All right, guys, take massive action. Print out the report. Do it. Get busy in your slow season.